My name is Yerger. I'm from Harvard Medical School, the Fred Rosen chair professor. I joined the FSU in 1989 and graduated in 1995. During those 6 years, I actually learned a lot of things. I basically started from scratch, learned all the molecular biology as well as how to do basic science. So those have impacted my career greatly. I'm lucky to be invited back to give a limited lecture in the Department of Biology. The lecture will be my journey on the epigenetics and beyond. So basically, I'm going to cover what I have been doing after I left FSU. It's a great opportunity for me to come back to visit. And again, the feeling is very different from the time when I was a student here. So just visit the campus brought me a lot of good memory that happened more than 28 years ago.